With every passing year, we make many advances in technology to make our home lives easier to maintain. Whether that be a smart fridge, a smart TV, or even something as simple as a Google Home, uh, to make set schedules, make tasks, play music, things like that. We use these to make the tasks that we endure on a daily basis even less of a struggle than they were before. Hello, my name is Nathan Stonard, and for my third emerging technology presentation, I've decided to take a look at the advances that we make in smart home technology to make sure that our homes are a simpler, easier, and more streamlined place to live. Many people don't think twice of the advances that we make in this field, even though there are so many. There are many tiny things that we improve every year based solely on the fact that our world is getting faster. People want things to be done in a more sleek, improved, streamlined way to ensure that these tasks that we do on a daily basis can be achieved with no effort at all, thus improving productivity for the things that we need to take more effort to do, like the work that you do that you get paid for. Whether it's something as simple as a security system for your house to protect your family, or something simple like automated blinds, the steps that we have taken to make our smart homes automated would amaze many people. When you initially think of security systems, you might think of things like a padlock. Maybe you think of getting somebody to come and install a high-tech security system at your house and pay thousands of dollars for that. Maybe depending on where you live, you might think, oh, I'm going to go get a gun for securing my house, but with the advances that we have made in smart security, you can rest easy with just something as simple as a wireless camera. These connect to your smartphones. They provide 1080p, they're IP cameras. They're very secure, very reliable. You can stream and capture footage for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and rest easy knowing that your house is secure. And make sure that only people that enter your house are the ones that you want to be there. And talking about lighting now, back in 1879 when the light bulb was invented, it revolutionized how we lit our houses. We went from candles to something that utilized electricity. Is a huge step in technology for sure. But with the technology that we have now, it truly makes the light bulb seem like a thing of the past. There are smart bulbs that you can buy and connect to applications on your phone. From these apps, you can select dimness, brightness levels, colors. You can select options such as automated timers to turn them on and off. The light bulbs in your house. This seems to be fixing a problem that many people wouldn't see as a problem. But really, it's only a small piece in the puzzle. That is smart home electronics. There are also many smart advances in technology when it comes to heating and the thermostats that you have in your home. They make sure to improve your carbon footprint and save you money in this process. These smart home thermostats allow you to set your temperature remotely from an app on your phone, the same as anything else. They allow you to set it from the comfort of your bed, and you can rest easy knowing that you're allowing this new technology to really reduce your carbon footprint and keep the planet safe and keep the costs of living down. Here's a short video to show off some of the gadgets that are available in this new smart home technology. And just to wrap up my presentation, a couple final thoughts. At the end of the day, we're always trying to improve our world. We strive to make processes as streamlined as possible to ensure that we spend our energy and resources as well as we can. Our homes are no exception. With these new advances that we are making in the field of smart home technology, you are sure to see solutions to problems that you may never thought you had, to further improve our lives and make sure that we can get the most out of the lives that we live. Thank you.